many hurried to bury Huawei's smartphone business. But this China-based first-tier manufacturer is die-hard. Though the company doesn't release smartphones with the same intensity as previously, it still designs new smartphones. Two of them, namely the Huawei Mate 50 and the Huawei Mate X3 folding screen smartphone, are set to hit the stores this year. We understand that under the sanctions, it's Herculean to make good phones, but Huawei can. The Huawei Mate 50 or Mate 50 Pro series will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4G chip, whereas the Mate X3 folding screen will come with the Snapdragon 888 chip. Thus, it turns out, apart from the Kirin 9000 version, there will be a Qualcomm variant of the folding screen smartphone of this company. At the end of February this year, Changzhou, vice president of Huawei's Consumer BG Strategy Marketing Department, confirmed the Mate 50 series. According to various leaks, the phone is scheduled to hit the stores in July. Compared with the P50 series, the phone will sport an improved camera. Plus, the handset will leave the factory with HarmonyOS 3.0 pre-installed. Prior to this, we've even seen the spotted protective film for the upcoming Huawei Mate 50 Pro. It showed that the handset will return to the notch screen design. As for the Huawei Mate X3, it will adopt an outward folding approach. This handset will also sport a built-in 4500 mAh battery and support 66-watt wired fast charging. The leaked Huawei Mate X3 engineering machine was sporting the high silicon Kirin 9000 4G chip. All screens on the phone support high refresh rate. However, it was being tested with HarmonyOS 2.0.1 on board. But we think that this would change at launch. As a reminder, Huawei released the Mate X2 with the Kirin 9000 in February last year. Both screens support a 90Hz refresh rate. The hinge of the folding screen has been greatly upgraded. Moreover, the Huawei Mate X2 introduced a super strength steel material, which can resist impact without deformation. Moreover, the company has added carbon fiber composite material to make it stronger while ensuring lightness. There are also hidden opening and closing designs on both sides of the hinge. They can prevent foreign objects from entering and damaging the screen. Well, as you see, everything is complicated. The company faces myriads of obstacles on its way to releasing new smartphones. However, Huawei has made outstanding products before, and we hope it can overcome these difficulties. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. See you soon.